all well in Team India at the moment? It doesn't seem to be the case, as multiple images over the last few days have shown the palpable tensions between Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli and the Indian head coach Gautam Gambhir. Remember, there have been multiple issues over the last few days alone, which includes the lack of clarity over Rohit and Kohli's retirement. Multiple images from the Ranchi ODI also show the cold exchanges between Virat and Gautam Gambhir, further fueling speculations of a rift in the team. In the previous ODI series, when Virat Kohli performed well after two underwhelming innings, Gambhir responded saying he doesn't celebrate a series loss, with many claiming that this could be a direct statement against Gambhir. Top sources tell Times Now that the BCCI is preparing to hold discussions on Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma's futures, and also address communication issues and show a sense of unity in the dressing room. BCCI is also looking to address the narrative and trolling on social media.
Well, all is not well when we talk about the Indian ODI team. A lot of speculation that everything is not right between the head coach Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Now let's talk about these two stalwarts of the game. Both have been captain before. There was so much talk that the Australia ODI series may be their last series. That did not happen. Both Rohit and Virat performed well in the last ODI. Of course, eventually India lost that series. Gautam Gambhir turned around saying that let's not celebrate a series loss, which many fans also felt was aimed at Rohit and Virat. Ever since, there have only been talks about how things are not going well between them. Let's talk about visuals we have seen in Ranchi, where Virat Kohli was not part of the celebration in the team hotel, or he was seen walking past Gautam Gambhir in the dressing room, or not paying attention to what was happening in the dressing room. All of that has been observed by the fans, by former cricketers and experts of the game, signaling that all may not be well. Now, what we're given to understand is that BCCI may hold a discussion on these lines. Of course, this is going to be an unofficial, informal discussion involving both Gautam Gambhir and Ajit Agarkar as well, who is the chairman of selectors, to understand what is going to be the future of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, and also address communication issues if there are any within the team.
However, even as the tensions simmer between the veterans of Team India and the head coach, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli have both made their intent clear that they will be available for domestic cricket tournaments. Virat Kohli will take part in the upcoming Vijay Hazare Trophy after more than a decade, signaling their intentions to not only follow the norms of the BCCI but also their intention to compete in the 2027 ODI World Cup.
A big development is Virat Kohli choosing to play Vijay Hazare Trophy. It is also likely that Rohit Sharma will also give a go-ahead to play the Vijay Hazare for his state. But Virat Kohli confirmed his availability to the Delhi District Cricket Association over the phone, confirming that he is available for this particular tournament. Now, remember, playing domestic cricket is going to be a huge step forward as far as Virat Kohli is concerned, because one, he is playing this for this domestic series after 15 long years, and second, this is a clear signal to the BCCI and to the selectors that you said play domestic cricket. I am playing domestic cricket as well. You want to talk about my form? My form is great. I have just scored century number 52 versus South Africa. He performed versus Australia as well. That's another matter of fact, that the series was lost in Australia, but the complete blame for that cannot fall on Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. So playing domestic cricket is a clear signal to the BCCI and to the selectors that these cricketers are ready. They are ready to play domestic cricket, and they are coming for 2027, and they will continue to play the ODI format.